What if I told you that one of the most unexpected materials in luxury manufacturing is hiding in plain sight? Natural cattle horn can be transformed into premium accessories, while carefully processed leather becomes luxury backpacks and distinctive iPhone cases. But turning these raw materials into high-end products requires far more than simple craftsmanship. Behind the factory doors, skilled workers, precision machinery, automation, and strict quality control work together to transform nature into luxury. The journey begins with carefully sourced cattle horn and hide. White Brahman cattle are known for their distinctive appearance and naturally developed horns, each with its own shape, texture, and natural pattern. Usable horn and hide can become valuable manufacturing materials rather than being discarded. Once selected, the materials are transported to the processing facility. Every incoming batch is inspected, documented, and sorted according to quality, dimensions, and potential use. Horn sections with the right structure are separated from material requiring additional inspection, while hides are evaluated for thickness, flexibility, and surface condition. Inside the factory, the production system begins. The facility combines conveyors, cutting machines, grinders, polishing equipment, leather processing machinery, computerized controls, and skilled technicians. Every department is connected, allowing materials to move smoothly from preparation to final production. Before machining, the horn is thoroughly cleaned and dried. Workers inspect each piece for cracks, weak areas, and irregularities. Digital measuring equipment then records important dimensions, helping determine exactly how the material will be cut and shaped. Now the real transformation begins. Precision cutting machines remove unwanted sections and divide the horn into workable pieces. Grinding equipment gradually shapes each section, while increasingly fine sanding smooths the surface and reveals its natural character. One of the most fascinating features of genuine horn is that every piece can look slightly different. Natural variations in color, texture, and pattern can become part of the finished product's unique appearance. After sanding, powerful polishing machines create a smooth, refined surface. Workers carefully inspect the polished horn for scratches, cracks, and imperfections. Some pieces receive additional drilling, trimming, or edge finishing depending on their final application. At the same time, selected hides begin their own transformation. Leather processing equipment cleans, conditions, dries, and finishes the material, creating a flexible and durable surface ready for manufacturing. Large leather sheets are then placed into computer-guided cutting systems. Precision machines cut individual panels, while optimizing the use of the material. Every panel is designed for a specific position in the final product. The cut leather pieces move to industrial sewing machines. Rapid and consistent stitching joins the panels together, gradually creating the structure of a premium backpack. Straps, hardware, panels, and decorative elements are then assembled. Carefully finished horn can become a distinctive luxury accent, giving the product a natural appearance that synthetic materials cannot easily reproduce. Smaller horn sections can also be precision machined into decorative components for premium iPhone cases and other accessories. At this point, natural horn has been transformed into a carefully engineered modern product. But production isn't finished yet. Quality control becomes increasingly important as the products approach completion. High-speed optical cameras inspect surfaces, edges, stitching, alignment, and finishing details. Computer vision systems compare components against strict digital specifications, while precision sensors verify dimensions and tolerances. If a component falls outside acceptable limits, automated sorting systems redirect it for additional inspection. Only approved components continue toward final assembly. Despite the advanced automation, skilled professionals remain essential. Technicians monitor production dashboards, analyze equipment performance, and inspect quality data. Engineers maintain the machinery and make adjustments whenever necessary. This is where technology and human experience work together. Machines provide speed and repeatability. Computers provide precision and information. Skilled professionals provide judgment. As the products move toward final production, advanced cutting, trimming, and finishing systems complete the last major transformations. Every measurement is controlled, and every component must fit its intended position. Final polishing brings out the natural character of the horn, while leather receives its final finishing treatment. Workers carefully inspect stitching, edges, hardware, alignment, and surface quality. A finished backpack is examined as a complete product, while smaller accessories and iPhone cases receive the same detailed inspection. At this stage, luxury quality often comes down to tiny details: the smoothness of an edge, the alignment of a seam, the consistency of a polished surface, and the perfect fit of each component. Once approved, the finished products enter the packaging department. Protective packaging is carefully applied, while tracking systems record each product before shipment. Every package passes final inspection before leaving production. From there, finished products move into organized warehouse storage, where computerized inventory systems track thousands of items. Forklifts and automated handling equipment move products through warehouse aisles, while logistics software coordinates orders and shipments. Finally, the products reach the loading area and begin their journey toward retailers, luxury stores, distributors, and customers around the world. And when you look at the entire process, the scale becomes remarkable. A finished luxury product may have passed through dozens of machines, inspections, measurements, and skilled hands before reaching its final destination. What makes this factory truly fascinating isn't simply the unusual material. It's the coordination between natural materials, precision engineering, advanced automation, and human craftsmanship. Behind every backpack, horn accessory, and premium iPhone case is a long journey of cleaning, cutting, shaping, polishing, stitching, inspection, assembly, packaging, and logistics. The next time you see a luxury product like this, remember that its story began long before it reached a store. It began with a natural material and ended with a carefully engineered product. And this is how modern manufacturing transforms natural horn and leather into luxury products from start to finish. If you enjoyed discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.